In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a project inside of FreshBooks. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up FreshBooks like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over to project here in the left hand corner and go up to create new. Then you have two options. You can either add a flat rate project, meaning that you charge a flat rate for the project, or an hourly project, meaning that you charge hour by hour. And when you click on one, you should be looking something like this. Here, you can add in your team members if you want to do that, or you can create a new team member if you don't already have somebody. You can also search for them or filter them by role over here. Then from here, you can enter a project name and you can assign the client over here. Then you can add a description, which is optional. You can add in an end date and a flat rate for this specific project. You can also add in the hour totals, meaning that you can add in how many hours that you have worked on this specific project. Then from here, you can add in your services and you can create a new service by clicking right here. You can add as many as you want to do on this specific project, and if you want to delete it, you can click on the disposal over here. Then from here, over the settings, you can see the project type, where you can change it from either flat rate project to hourly project. You can go into estimate hours, where you can say total hours or hours per hour service. You can add a set billable rate. You can add in a set cost rate, meaning that is how much you pay your team members for the work they do. And you can set expense markup. And here you can set the expense grand total. Let's just say 10% for this specific project. Then from here, you can click save. And then you can see here, the project will be visible right here. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!